Using artificial intelligence to help write your resume is a smart move. The job market today moves incredibly fast. Companies receive hundreds of applications for a single open role. To manage this flood of resumes, many of them use special software called an applicant tracking system, or ATS. Think of it as a gatekeeper. It scans your resume for specific words and phrases before a human ever sees it. If your resume does not have the right keywords, it might get rejected without anyone ever knowing how qualified you are. AI tools can help you get past this digital gatekeeper. These programs are very good at understanding language. They can analyze a job description and suggest the exact keywords the ATS is likely looking for, increasing your chances of getting noticed. AI can also help you frame your experience, turning simple duties into compelling, quantified bullet points. It saves time and helps you rapidly tailor versions for different applications. But you are still the driver. The AI is your co-pilot. Guide it, check its work, and make sure the final product reflects you. Not all AI tools are created equal, especially for something as sensitive as writing your resume. Choose wisely. You need an AI that is good at understanding and generating natural-sounding text. Popular large language models via chat are a great start. Look for strong reviews and a clear privacy policy, since you are sharing career details. A good strategy is to assemble a small team of digital assistants. Primary tool: a text generation AI for summaries, bullet points, and keyword brainstorming. Second tool: a dedicated grammar and style checker to fix structure, tone, and clarity. Run all AI text through it. Generate with one AI, then refine with another. This two-step process dramatically improves quality. Optional third tool: a resume scanner that compares your resume to a job description, flags missing keywords, and suggests improvements. Choosing your AI co-pilots carefully sets you up for success from the start. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post another educative video. Before you ask AI to write, you need to provide raw materials. Quality in equals quality out. Become a career archaeologist. Dig up facts about your work history. Do not rely on memory alone. Create a simple document or spreadsheet as your single source of truth. List basics for every job. Official title, company name, start and end dates. Be precise. Jot down main responsibilities as simple, factual statements. Think about your day-to-day tasks. Examples: managed social media accounts, wrote weekly newsletters, analyze campaign performance data, identify achievements. 1 or 2 significant accomplishments per job and make them quantifiable. Did you increase sales? By what percentage? Reduce costs? By how much? Finish early? How many weeks? Numbers matter. Make a separate skills list, including software and soft skills. Python, Adobe Photoshop, Salesforce, leadership, communication, problem solving. Also list degrees, certifications, and special training. Gather it all in one organized place to guide your AI prompts. Having a clear plan and structured workflow keeps you focused when using AI to build your resume. Collect your career data, then pick a specific job. Keep the job description open. Let it guide your keywords and achievements. Tailor your resume to that opportunity. Start with a 2 or 3 sentence professional summary for the exact job title. Next, for each role, ask the AI to write a few bullet points using your duties, achievements, and strong action verbs. Example prompt: write 4 bullet points for a customer service role, focusing on problem solving and customer satisfaction metrics. Ask the AI to analyze the job description and suggest ATS keywords. Sprinkle them naturally into your summary and bullets. Do not stuff keywords. Make sure they fit context. Assemble and edit. Paste into a clean template. Check formatting, fonts, and spacing for readability. Begin human review. Read every line. Fix awkward phrasing. Run a final spell check, save as PDF. The process becomes manageable steps. Section 5. Prompting for success. The secret to great results is asking for what you want. This is called prompting. A vague prompt yields a vague answer. A clear, specific prompt yields a targeted, useful response. Be direct. Provide context. Break requests into small pieces, one section at a time. Example: write a 3-sentence professional summary for a software engineer with 5 years of Python and cloud computing experience, applying to a fintech company. Context: job title, years, skills, industry. This helps the AI tailor the summary. Prompt: write 4 bullet points for a project manager role. Use my notes. managed a team of 6, used Jira, completed 2 weeks early, under budget by 10%. Start each bullet with an action verb. This tells the AI how to format achievement-oriented bullets. For keywords, ask for essential ATS terms, like content strategy, SEO, campaign analytics, engagement rate, Facebook ads. For executives and those seeking promotion, I have an amazing book that will make your CV resume stand out and get you invited for the interview. CV Resume Strategies for Executives and Promotion Seekers. You can get it from a link in the first pinned comment. To get past the applicant tracking system, speak its language. Keywords. These are specific nouns and phrases from the job description. Identify and collect them. Look for skills, methodologies, job titles, and qualifications. Java, Google Analytics, Agile, Scrum, Project Manager, PMP certification. You can also ask AI, analyze this job description and pull out the most important keywords and skills. Weave keywords naturally. Avoid random lists or stuffing. Use top keywords in your professional summary when relevant. Add specific software and technical abilities in the skills section. Most importantly, integrate keywords into achievement bullets to show you use the skills. For example, performed in-depth data analysis to identify market trends, leading to a 15% increase in campaign effectiveness. You optimize for ATS and prove to the recruiter you are a strong fit. AI is powerful but not perfect. It can hallucinate and make up details. It might invent projects, assign metrics you did not provide, or list skills you do not have. Treat AI text as a first draft. Fact-check every line against your records. Dates, names, and numbers must be accurate. If you cannot prove a number, change it to something you can back up or remove it. Honesty is non-negotiable. When you use AI for your resume, you are sharing personal information. Be privacy-minded. Free chatbots may use conversations for training. Never paste your entire resume or highly sensitive info into public tools. Generalize prompts. Omit name, address, phone, email. Refer to employers generically, like a mid-sized tech company in software. Do not share internal project names, proprietary data, or unreleased product details. It is a privacy and ethics issue. If you handle sensitive info, consider paid or enterprise tools with stronger privacy. Read policies, ensure data is not used for training, and delete chat history when finished. After drafting keyword optimization and fact-checking, apply human judgment. AI helps with structure and content, but only you can capture your unique story, personality, and passion. Read top to bottom, shorten long sentences, replace weak words, keep a confident, consistent tone. Aim for one page when possible. Ask a trusted friend or mentor to review. Fresh eyes catch issues you miss. Make a short list of top 3 jobs and proudest achievements. Prompt AI for a new summary, then edit for 10 minutes. Using AI is a partnership. Let it save time and spark ideas, but you always have the final say. Your career is your story, and you are its best author.